Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Uber Pro card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is a Uber Pro card? So that Uber Pro card is a debit card for Uber drivers and delivery people that lets you basically get instant access to your earnings, earn cash back on gas, and track spending inside the app. Now, we need to make sure we are eligible to get one as well. So you usually need to be an active Uber driver or an Uber Eats courier, and also in a country where the Uber Pro card is supported. So this is mainly in the USA and other countries, but it is not available in all countries. So if you don't see it inside of your app, you're not going to be, it's not eligible for that country basically. So just keep that in mind. So basically you want to go ahead and open up the Uber driver app. And then from there, click on the three horizontal lines or the menu, which should be located top left, and either go to earnings or wallet. Then from here, look for Uber Pro card. If available, you'll see the Uber Pro card or get paid instantly. And then from there, simply tap it to start the sign up process. Then basically from there, when you apply for the card, you'll be asked to confirm your name, address, identity, and then submit the application. Then once approved, a physical card is mailed to your address, usually between 5 to 10 business days, and you can use a virtual card immediately inside the app. Now, if you don't see the Uber Pro card, as I mentioned earlier, it means it's not available in your country yet, or Uber hasn't enabled it for your account. If you are in a country that you are eligible to use an Uber Pro card, I suggest contacting their support team. So emailing them or giving them a phone call and just ask the reason why you don't have the option to apply for that Uber Pro card.